Yeah, we pay. Yeah, we pay.
Hello everybody, what is good, what is happening? It is your boy from Everyday Tripping. Hope you're having a great day or evening, and thank you for joining me in this week's video. As you can see by the title, in this week's video, we're going to be comparing Hot Mother Clucker on Hollywood Boulevard to very popular hot chicken joint, Dave's Hot Chicken. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The vibe at Hot Mother Clucker is actually really cool. It's like a sports bar vibe. They got all types of games on. And they're also playing music videos with very popular throwbacks, like 2000s hip hop. And they even got some 90s up in there and some current stuff too. But to start things off for the food, we have one of their hot chicken sandwiches with coleslaw and fries. Now the fries were not good at all. The fries are going to be getting a 5 out of 10 for me today. I did not like them at all. But the chicken sandwich, however, was actually pretty good. I've had better, but I am going to be giving this a 7.5 out of 10 today. Not too bad, wasn't great. I've had worse and I've had better. The atmosphere here is actually really cool. It's a lot different from your typical hot chicken joint. And it's also on Hollywood Boulevard with a lot of popular attractions in the vicinity. And here on screen we have something else we got, which was one of their sliders, one of the cheeseburger sliders. And from what I heard, it wasn't great at all, so I'm just going to be giving it a 5 along with the fries. But all in all, the vibe, the food was not bad. I'm going to be giving everything overall a 7 out of 10. Let's see how it compares to our next spot, Dave's Hot Chicken. Alright, here we are at our next location. We're at the Dave's Hot Chicken off Reseda in the Valley. This is the newest location in Southern California, very close to where I live, so this is the one that I go to the most now. I did go to the first Dave's Hot Chicken in Hollywood when they first opened up, and that was just a really cool experience. But at the end of the day, we're here for the food, and the food is exactly the same. Currently, Dave's Chicken is my favorite hot chicken joint. Personally, nothing has compared. This was my first time ordering the strawberry lemonade at Dave's Hot Chicken, and it was actually delicious. So if you are going, I definitely recommend you get yourself a strawberry lemonade. There's 4 things you can order at Dave's Hot Chicken. There's a number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And with these numbers, there's either 2 sliders, you can choose between a slider and a tender, or you could choose 2 tenders. And very recently added to the menu is a 1 slider meal. If we're being honest, I love everything about Dave's Hot Chicken. I love the fries, I love the sliders, I love the tenders, and that strawberry lemonade is absolutely bussin'. Funny story I have at Dave's Hot Chicken. The first time I went to the Reseda joint when it first opened up, I remember I got my slider and my 2 tenders, because sometimes I like to add a little tender in there. I was putting the Dave's sauce, this Dave's secret sauce, onto my slider along with some honey. And this dude from across the room was like, "Hey man, what'd you order? Mine don't got all that sauce on there, that looks jam." And I was like, "Bro, you just gotta get you some of that secret sauce and some honey. And wherever you're about to bite, you gotta coat it with that sauce and that honey, and it changes the entire experience," and it does. Apparently, I be drawing attention when I'm in Dave's Hot Chicken, doing the most, but it's definitely worth it. Take a look. Yup, the face says it all, run it back. Me personally, I think you don't have a choice if you're at Dave's Chicken to use their sauce and to use their honey, because it makes it a completely different sandwich. You're gonna have to see for yourself if you don't believe me. Now, all in all, with the chicken wars, we started off at Hot Mother Clucker and we're ending off at Dave's Hot Chicken. I gave Hot Mother Clucker a 7 all around. And for Dave's Hot Chicken, I'm giving them a 9.5. It is that close to perfect. And I truly don't think a lot of these new hot chicken joint places that are coming out are even close to Dave's Hot Chicken. That's going to be it for this Chicken Wars video. There's another one on my channel, part 1, along with a lot of other food videos, along with traveling, unboxings, and things of that nature. So go check out the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all next week. Peace.